Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to remove things from our sets in two ways, actually three ways. So let's put this into some kind of header like print. Either you can type print and this, okay, so this is like a hard-coded header, but you can also do this. Like you will repeat that specific symbol, which can be anything. It's totally up to you. You can repeat that, for example, 50 times, and the result will be pretty much the same. So this is kind of time saver. So we have our header, so let's go. Now, how to remove, for example, yellow color? You will say color dot remove and that actual color in quotes, because that must be string, yellow, and after that we also need to print our results, like after party results, colors, yeah, colors, CLS, and there you go. We have 3 elements here, and here we have 4. So let's actually do this, because it's kind of nicer to know. CLS, and now we have that visual kind of confirmation, numeric confirmation. So what if for some reason you forget, if you wanna delete multiple times the same thing? Basically, can you do that with this line multiple times? If you have really long source code, so you just forgot what you have done in upper part of source code. So let's see. You will run pretty much into error. So see, this is the problem. Colors.remove yellow will not work on a line 8 pretty much. So how to solve this issue? Is there any way to solve it? Well, yes. So you can actually use discard here. Discard, and so this is kind of safe failover. Is that correct term? I don't know. CLS, and now everything works fine. So some people will say, well, can I use this at the first place? Well, sure. Discard, and the thing will work. Now, why do you want to use remove, and why do you want to use discard, or when? Well, you will use remove when you're absolutely sure what you're doing. For example, if you're an expert, or your code is very short, but discard is a kind of safe thing to do. So it's absolutely up to you what you're gonna do. Now, next thing, how to clear everything. And you probably know this command. You will just type colors.clear, and after that we need to print our results after clearing, and let's run our script. And there you go. After clearing, the set is empty but still exists. Okay, it still exists, and number of colors is 0. So if you want to remove your set, you will say delete colors, and after that you can type something, and the result will be error. Why? Because name colors is not defined, so there is nothing to check. So this will not work. Okay, but this will work without any kind of problems. Why? Because this is a final decision, and we are after that not using colors. So everything up to here will work, and this will work, but after then you can use your colors. Okay, see? So that works, and now you cannot do anything with the colors. It doesn't just exist. So the next thing, you probably know this, but you know, let's just do it. See, in a part when we have removed a couple of things, can we use something from keyboard? And you probably know about this at the top of your mind. So x equals input, like what to remove, and you'll put that x down there, and operation will be successful. So we actually need to confirm that. Print colors, okay, CLS. what to remove. For example, black, and green, red, and yellow is a state of colors right now. So that's pretty much it. You can go with if else, you know, here, or something that you have learned from tuples and lists up to now, but you know, it's a relatively easy stuff to do. You don't need to do it, just save a little bit of time, a little bit of nerves, and see next tutorial where we will learn about dictionaries, or in some languages they say hashes. So it's not type of drug, it's you know, thing similar to database. When you have on one side you have keys and on another side you have values, like some similar database. Not similar, but simple. Yes, I'm just gonna shut up, render this video. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next tutorial.